Hi guys, so a couple days ago we took our car in to a mechanic. The aircon stopped working and it was stalling at stops, so we need to get it worked on. And we took it to a mechanic and he's working on it right now, but we need to take him money. He needs half the money down for the parts. And we'll give you a rundown of how much it costs when we're done. But first I have to bail Neen out of jail. Came here to pick her up. Brought her some cigarettes to sell. You ready? Is that going to get you out? Is that enough? Yep. Okay. Hey, cigarettes get you out of jail.
I got it.
Oh, okay. Here she comes.
I'm free.
Oh. Free.
I'm free.
Free. But not cheap.
But not cheap?
You're free, but you are not cheap. Hello.
Hello.
All right, so we called a Grab. We're waiting for the Grab to come. Says he's right around the corner. See how long that takes.
Wait over there.
Okay, let's go wait in the shade.
Air mounting po.
Ah,
Yung hiwalay
okay.
na siya. Kaya pag tumatakbo, grrrr, pag in-accelerate. So, yan yung papalitan. Mamakasakot lang.
Okay.
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 Papapagaban.
It's okay.
Oy.
Take it all off.
Sorry for done.
We need to remove the support.
Take it all apart.
Because the evaporator is in the center.
Mm.
We cannot replace the evaporator without removing the dashboard.
It's hot in there, huh?
Okay.
Poor guy.
Okay ko yung magkano yung kailangan niya.
Kahit kalahati lang po mga kano ba yun? Wait lang po.
Okay, that's better.
You can take a picture of that.
Boop.
Kuya, kuhanan ko lang ng picture. Pinapost mo talaga. Okay. Thank you. Repair shop.
Yes. What's it up? What's Neen fixing the car? It's a do-it-yourself shop.
Yes.
So Neen is what do you got there? Oh, the mounts.
Yeah.
All right. So
Okay.
yeah. So we're having shocks replaced, engine mounts replaced, and aircon.
Aircon.
Repair.
Aircon is essential.
Yeah, gotta have the aircon. Can't be driving around like that.
I'm going in now.
Okay, so in the office. Our grab is waiting, so. Okay, back we go. Oh look, it's me. It's a little loud. Okay, so what happened there? All right, so we went to the mechanics guys, and gave them half the total cost just to cover the parts, right?
Yep.
And we looked online at the cost of the parts, and they're fair. They're a little bit higher, but not enough to make it worthwhile going out of our way to order it ourselves. So we gave them the money for that, and they're going to get to work on the car. And when it's all done, we'll pick it up. We'll give you the details about the mechanic, the cost, all that, and the whole breakdown of the job. But we don't know when that's going to be, do we? Exactly.
No.
Could
Maybe
be tomorrow. Could be soon. It will be ready soon. But we had to come back. Now we're at Walter Mart because we have to get a little bit more cash. It's still going.
Yeah.
Okay, so we have to get a little more cash. You know, because we're out.
We're out of cash.
We had that was money we had for something else anyway. So we gave it to them, and now we're just going to go to the ATM and get some more money. Probably go grocery shopping. And will that be it for the day? That'll probably be it for the day. All right, guys. So come back another time, and we'll have the update on our car. All right. All right. See you in the next one. Bye.